Particular work calls for particular safety requirements. Flame and acid are one of those. These flame and acid pants and jacket from Beck are made from quality 270 GSM, D59, flame retardant and acid resistant materials and conform to SABS standards. They are hard wearing with safety stitch seams, a generous cut for comfort, and have industrial strength YKK zips and a zipper flap. They also have 50mm flame retardant reflective strips for high visibility. The jacket has a breast pocket with a pressed stud flap, 2 large bottom pockets, side slits for added mobility, elasticated cuffs. The pants have a triple stitch back rise and inleg for extended durability. 1 back, 2 side double stitch swing pockets, a ruler pocket, belt hoops, and a hidden zipper with a metal button. A quality and durable option that meets your safety requirements. This is just one of the workwear solutions available at Builders. For more, visit in-store or shop online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.